Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Astro A10 gaming headset. This popular wired headset is known for its robust construction and clear audio, making it a solid choice for many gamers. We'll explore its key features, design, and performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your gaming setup. Get ready to dive into the details before you make your next headset purchase. The Astro A10 boasts impressive durability, featuring a steel headband wrapped in a rubberized material that can handle twists and drops. Its lightweight design, at about 246 grams, combined with soft cloth ear cushions, ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The ear cups are designed to fit over your ears, providing a snug yet comfortable experience without excessive clamping force. When it comes to sound, the Astro A10 utilizes custom-tuned 32mm dynamic drivers, offering a balanced audio profile that enhances in-game sounds. You'll experience clear highs for crucial details like footsteps and a satisfying bass for impactful explosions. The integrated 6mm unidirectional boom microphone features a convenient flip-to-mute function, ensuring your teammates hear you clearly and allowing for quick privacy when needed. One of the Astro A10's greatest strengths is its versatility. With a standard 3.5mm jack, it connects seamlessly to nearly any gaming platform, from PC to PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. This broad compatibility, combined with its durable build and solid audio performance, makes it an exceptional value. Often available for around $60, it's a fantastic entry point into quality gaming audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.